Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do private live stream on Facebook. It is so simple and so quick process. As you're on your screen feeding Sky on your Facebook, you're gonna see the live session on your right upper side with a live sessionable setup. Just click on it, and then before you go for getting with that live button with blue screen side, as you can see on your upper side you have that public option. Just click on that selection, and here you're gonna be able to choose who wanna see your live session. As you can see here you have options for public, friends accept, specific friends, or only me. If you go for friend accept, you know that it will not be shown to some friends. You need to choose the friends that you don't want to get up through this live stream. Or if you go for specific friends, to get up only show to these friends which you're gonna select it. And if you want, you can go for only me, for example. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.